CMF, the sub-brand from tech darling Nothing, just dropped a bomb on the budget audio world, and it's called the Headphone Pro. Welcome to GadInsider, your favorite tech hub. The CMF headphones are priced at just $99, yet they're packed with premium features that usually belong to devices twice the price. If Apple and Sony are the Goliaths, this might just be the David with a sonic slingshot. The design grabs attention first. No touch gimmicks here. Instead, you get a satisfying multifunction roller dial for volume, playback, and ANC modes, plus an energy slider to fine-tune the bass as well. And with swappable ear cushions in bold colors like bright orange and light green, CMF clearly isn't afraid to make noise visually or audibly. But it's not just a fashion statement. The Headphone Pro is a flex to have with 40mm drivers, nickel-plated diaphragms, and a dual-chamber setup designed to reduce distortion and expand the soundstage. They're really made for audiophiles on a budget. There's even a personal sound feature that customizes the EQ based on your hearing profile. How cool is that? That's not all. It also flaunts hybrid adaptive ANC up to 40 dB, AI-powered call clarity, and Bluetooth 5.4 with multi-point support. Still not impressed? Not even when we tell you it's got 100 hours of battery life without ANC? Or 50 hours with it. A 5-minute charge gives you 4 hours of juice, and you can even charge them via your phone using USB-C. The CMF Headphone Pro is available now in Europe and the UK, with US sales starting October 7, 2025. At this price, these headphones will leave all the $100 below headphone behind. Are you impressed by these headphones now? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.